Comrades power. Power. Comrades viva.
Viva.
Comrades power.
Power.
As usual, sisi kama vijana ni kuahidi na kutimiza. Majina yangu ni David Msongori, outgoing president wa Taita Taveta Students Association. I'm so happy. Many people asking if women are going to participate in the coming elections. I'm happy because Taita Taveta Students Association has proven that women are going to be the future and are going to lead us in the future. While I'm retiring, last year in our last AGM, I promised the citizens of this country, of this county and our country at large, ya kwamba sisi kama vijana miaka mingi hatujakuwa na imani na serikali yoyote ile. Miaka mingi hatujakuwa na imani na system yoyote ile. But this time round we are making a change. We are giving it a turnaround. We are giving the system a trial to test what young people can do and what young people are. So our inauguration here today, when we are giving out our mega association to new leadership, new blood and new regime, we are also calling for young people and specifically students. Very many leaders in this country have come from the origin of student leadership. Speak of our president himself and speak of the so many vocal and vibrant leaders we have. They all came from a university level leadership. So we are clarioning for our fellow young leaders and our fellow students from this county to come out in numbers, register as voters, and at the end of it all, sio kuregister tu. I think we have so many young people, including myself, who are going to take on the battle with the elderly people in 2027. That is around 16 months from today, and we are going to prove to these older men or these people who think the governments and the systems are theirs, that we can take over the systems and we can make decisions for ourselves as young people. So this is not just a beginning or a continuation of anything. It is a history we are writing, and a history that we will keep writing as young people, where wajukuu wetu pia wakija tutakuwa proud kwamba sisi wakati wetu tulibadilisha system ambayo labda ilikuwa inanyanyasa vijana, labda ilikuwa haisaidii vijana in one way or the other. All those things that we see are not right for us, we are going to remove them, and all those things that we see they are right for us, we are going to embrace them. So thank you.
Wakati mnaposema mnataka kushirikiza uchaguzi ama mabadiliko katika uchaguzi unaokuja, una imani na tume ya uchaguzi kwamba itaweza kutimiza ndoto zenu?
I will go in record, as I said last year, I'll tell you again today. Sisi kama vijana hatuna imani na any system in the country, not IEBC, not even the media, the media people. We do not trust ourselves. You know, we are the gurus in the media platforms, but we do not trust ourselves. But what we have promised ourselves this time around as young people, it is that we are not going to discuss about the trust. We are not going to discuss about how they are going to do it or what the system has been doing. We are going to discuss about what we young people want. So our conversation is not about the trust, it is not about what they have done for us, or that we put that aside, and then once we take over the policies, once we take over the systems, we're going to have the system the way we want it, and then we'll tell them, you know why we didn't trust you? Because you didn't do A, B, C, and D, and because you are doing it, now you have to trust us.
What are the changes that as some expectations from the leaders that will be elected?
One of the key expectations kwetu sisi kama vijana na kwa vijana wenzetu ambao tutawatuma kutuwakilisha, kwa sababu hakuna viongozi wengine tutatuma. I said in 2022 when we were starting off TTSA, sisi kama vijana tutasimama na yule ambaye atasimama na sisi. If you ask the young people standing behind me and the very many young people around the country, ni viongozi wangapi ambao sasa hivi wako katika nyadhifa za uongozi wamesimama na wao, watakuhesabia wachache. So from those wachache ambao wametusaidia na wamesimama na sisi, we are expecting more of them standing with us and continuing to support us. And for those who have not supported us, for those who have misrepresented us, or for those who have not had the opportunity to come back and give to us what they have gotten in those offices that they have been, we do not expect anything from them. We just want them out, and then we have our own young people in those positions, kwa sababu sisi vijana tunaaminiana sisi kwa sisi. Sisi tunaaminiana ya kwamba mimi nikiwa na shida kama kijana nafaa nimsaidie kijana mwenzangu, na yule pia akijua ako na shida ni vizuri azungumze ili tuweze kumsaidia.